What's up, everyone? We're out here at Buttonwillow Raceway Park, and we've got 4 drivers here. They've all got our parts on their cars, and so we're gonna check out to see how they do. Let's have a good time today.
Good morning, my name is Donald Borish and we are here at Buttonwillow Raceway. So here we have the Tesla Model S Plaid. It's an amazing car, 2021, got it right when it came out, and it's probably my 3rd or 4th track day with it. So I've been racing for several years now, been running R1 concept products on several of my runs, and I run both in California, Arizona, and Nevada. My favorite thing as a disabled veteran is actually coming to the track and just kind of letting loose, making sure that my mind is clear, and it's the way that I deal with stress. So on this Model S Plaid, we actually have the R1 Forged 8 Big Brake Kit. So far it's been amazing. It's my first time actually tracking it, and I'm excited to see what it actually can do. Wow, this track, Buttonwillow here, it's a blast. Realistically though, the hardest part, and maybe one you might want to study, is definitely a technical high-speed course. It's a blast, especially in this Plaid here. Realistically though, if I was you, I'd study Cotton Corners. I mean, that's that place right there. The way that switchback is on that turn, it's insane. Brakes are extremely important to tracking your car, both on the track and daily driving. The better that you can go into the turn, or the more speed you can carry into the turn, quicker you can stop and essentially carry that speed back out, the faster you're gonna end up going around the entire circuit.
I saw that you had spun out in the dirt on one of those corners.
Yes, so Cotton Corners, again, it's definitely one of those places you might want to study, maybe check out a video online or something like that. And it's going back to that whole, how much speed can you carry in, how technical are the turns there, and basically how much you can accelerate out of that without actually going off the track. Yeah, so I can tell a night and day difference as far as the track driving and daily driving, really. Even one of the things I was most wondering about when I decided to make this decision was actually, how does the regenerative braking work on the Teslas? And with this R1 kit, I feel like I'm even getting maybe a little bit more battery back every time it engages. And overall, it's keeping my track times lowering and lowering every time I get out there and get more acclimated with this new track.
All right, that wraps us up for this Turn 8 event. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you to the drivers that came out to help support us. If you're interested in knowing what each of the drivers had on their vehicles, it will be listed in the description. And also, as always, remember to like, comment, and subscribe. See ya.